Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see or hear, I'm still getting over a very bad cold, and today we're going to be making some Russo. It's a home remedy good for colds and flus, and this is my mom's recipe. So sorry, just excuse Bella in the background, and we're now going to start making our Russo. So these are the ingredients I'm using for our king soup Russo today. So I've got sunflower cooking oil, some grated tomato. I will list the ingredients in quantities in the description. Then in my pestle and mortar, I've got 1 large onion, 3 chilies, curry leaf, 2 tablespoons of the king soup Russo mix, which is jeera, mustard seed and black peppercorns. This you can get from a spice store. And I'm just trying to think what else. I think that's about it. And 3 large garlic, that's with the peel. So I used my pestle and mortar and I've crushed it. Then I've got about 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste in 1/4 cup of boiling water. Then some lemon and fresh coriander from the garden. So now we're ready to start cooking. So I'm using a medium heavy base pot and my flame on high. And I'm just using about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I'm just going to wait for this to heat up slightly. The king soup or Russo, whichever you know it as very has got very nice ingredients in it, and it's very good for you, especially for the cold and flu. And it's an old-fashioned home remedy, and in the olden days this was used to help with your cold and flu. It's very similar to having your med lemon or cough mixtures and etc. So you can give it a try. It does have a sour taste, but it's a very good remedy, and it's also very good for you, and you need to have it warm with your medication. So now we're ready to add the onion and chili and garlic mixture. And I'm just gonna fry this until well fried. As you can hear, I'm still quite congested, and the garlic and chili is really strong, so I'm going to try not to sneeze. So we're just going to keep cooking this. So when we got ill, ever since we were little, I'm still quite big. My mom always made this for me, and now that my mom's no more alive, I'm using her recipes, and she had a lot of her own recipes, and we loved her cooking. And this was also very tasty even when we didn't have the flu. So this is now ready. I'm just going to add some turmeric, about 1/4 teaspoon, and then our tomatoes. So this is now cooked. We're ready to add our tamarind mix and our water. So I'm just giving this a good mix, and I'm going to let this cook for 10 minutes. Also adding some fresh lemon juice. And a little bit of salt to taste. And so while this is cooking, I just want to show you my pestle and mortar. This was gifted to me all the way from Mozambique and was made especially for me. It's with rosewood, so it's very nice, very solid, and I love it. So our king soup is now cooked. Just going to add our coriander and be ready to serve. So this is our king soup now ready, and it's nice and warm. As you can see, it looks very good. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until our next video, take care, bye.